Alright, here we go. The video is coming to you live from the Chasing White Lines YouTube channel. Next couple videos, and probably the one you're watching now, is all from a trip beginning in July 2021. Today we're headed up to Flathead Lake, Montana. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and you know, there's a lot of firsts for this channel right now since we're brand new, and I think, you know, these voiceovers are going to be a great addition. You'll get to hear me ramble on about a whole lot of nothing. Or something. Probably going to be political. Maybe it won't be. We'll see. Probably piss some people off. Make some people happy. You might laugh. You might cry. But at the end of the day, it's going to be a good ride. Here we are, just north of Powell, and I'm not sure if the camera is getting just to the left of here, but here we're coming along the Absarokas, and we're about to cross over into Montana here in the next, about 15 minutes or so, but I'm probably not going to be filming that long, but I figured I'd show you kind of a neat little spot, some really neat badlands. The mountain range just to your left there is a very northern Absarokas, and up here at the junction when we get there, you can make a left. You head back that way, and it takes you over Chief Joseph Highway and over to Beartooth Pass and Cook City and stuff. And so, but that's for another video. So, right here, let's see, I think so this big canyon right there is where the Clark's Fork of the Yellowstone River comes out. It travels down the valley, and probably to the right of the frame over there where you see the edge of the mountain, that's where we're headed. Red Lodge sits just on the other side of that hill over there. We're kind of taking the well, it's still scenic. I'll film up there too. It'll be neat. We'll catch you guys back here in a few minutes. Well, here we are, Bear Creek, Montana. Not very far from here. This is where it gets really pretty, and we're going to be heading up into the mountain, baby. quite the little climb. I think they thought it was kind of funny because it catches the motorcycle noise a little bit. Oh yeah. Gosh. That was a cool landslide there on the left. What do you know? Off to the right there's a mine. A storing point of which we won't visit today. The sign said the Smith Mine Disaster. Guess if a guy was to Google that, he'd be able to find out what that's all about. Sure, disaster and mine probably wasn't a good thing. So the climb begins, just right over that mountain there is Red Lodge. Keep telling you that. Bet they don't believe me. Oh, yeah. I don't know, I'm not used to riding those corners like that slow. It just kind of jogs with my mind. You should notice that little bump there at the end. It's about to get real pretty. Oh, yes. Wow. Always breathtaking. That valley straight ahead of us, picture a bear tooth. I don't know, my AC's been working real nice today, but I won't complain if it gets up to about 85, 90. The Red Lodge is always just a really nice place to be, because when it's 100 degrees at home, oh, it only ever gets about 80, 85. I mean, that's pretty dang warm for up here. And it's just a pleasant little town. A lot of people have found it lately, though, so, I mean, it's become a lot more populous. So there you have it, Junction 212. 212 is the one that the Beartooth Highway is on. and we're going to make it right. Yeah, see, Mr. Lumber, you got to, like, tie that stuff down, man. That's scary for us people riding motorcycles.